Hello everyone, welcome to a new tutorial video. Today we'll show you how to fix problems with your Windows 10 startup repair. If you're facing problem with your Windows 10 computer and the OS devices to run startup repair and the startup repair fails, then you'll receive a screen with this message. Automatic startup repair couldn't repair your PC. If you get into this situation, here we'll show you how to fix this error. In this method, we are going to manually restore the previous version of the registry from its automated backup on Windows 10. Click Troubleshoot. Click Advanced Options. Click Command Prompt. When your device starts in command prompt, it will start on x:/Windows/System32. Now you need to move to the drive letter where the Windows is installed. In my case, the drive is a Windows installation drive. Type the d:/command to enter into correct drive where Windows is installed and press enter. Type the dir command to verify you are in the correct drive and press enter. Then type cd/Windows/System32/config. Press enter. Type md backup. Press enter. Then type copy *.*backup. Press enter. Then type cd regback. Press enter. Type the dir command to verify you are in the correct drive and press enter. Then copy *.*. Press A to overwrite the files and destination after the last command. Exit the command prompt. Restart your computer and check if the issue has been solved. Using System Restore option. Click Advanced Options. Choose Troubleshoot. Here, click Advanced Options. In Advanced Options, select System Restore. System Restore allows you to rewind your Windows installation to an earlier working state without affecting your document. Recently installed programs and drivers might be uninstalled. Select Next. Select the most recent working restore point. Follow the on-screen instructions. Click Finish. Once you have completed all steps, your device will go back in time to a previous state where everything was working correctly.
Reset this PC. If your PC is not running well, resetting might help. This lets you choose to keep your files or remove them and then reinstall Windows. To reset this PC, click Troubleshoot. Reset this PC. Windows will then restart and take several minutes to reset itself. Thank you for watching our video, and for more videos, please subscribe to our channel.